Hillbilly Serenade, Beginner Plus version. There's only a few little changes from the beginner version.
Not this song again. I wanted to learn one of them hootenanny songs.
I haven't heard that word in years. I bet you can't say it 5 times in a row real fast.
Hootenanny, 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 hootenanny.
Wow, that's quite a talent you got there.
You're looking at the hootenanny state champion, 1949.
Thank you, Billy. It's lesson time right now. We're going to get our guitars out and we're going to learn this song together.
Well, it's time for my nap anyway, and these lessons are like an armful of Novocaine.
So from the beginner version, we have just a couple of little changes here. We've added a note on measures 16 and 24, just an and note in here. We're playing this D major 7th chord, and we've added on the 3 and beat, we've added our index finger on the 2nd string. So it's 1, 2, this is measure 16. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's the same thing with measure 24. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Measure 29 through 31, what we're doing is we're sandwiching or adding a droning D note in between the melody notes that we're playing. So last week it was just like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. What we're doing now is we're adding the melody note in the bass note in between. So it's like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's try this together. Now there was some confusion last week with how this is counted out. So what I did was I added the counting down just below the tablature right here, and I'm hoping that this is going to make better sense for everybody. So it goes like this. I'll play the whole area: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on one moment. I'll be right back.
I sent Earl over there to ring his doorbell. Now it's time for the talent segment of the show. Hootenanny, 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 hootenanny. Hootenanny, 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 hootenanny.
Sorry about that. Some big guy came here and pushed the doorbell and drove away in a pickup truck. Where were we with this lesson? Okay, measure 32. That's a single beat chord. We're plucking it one time, and what we're doing is we're pinching the 1st string 5 frets up, and I'm also playing the A note, the open A note, on the 5th string. So just these 2 A notes. This is an A and this is an A. 2 octaves apart from each other, so it's just together. That's called the pinch. So let me play. Why don't you try this with me? Let's play it real slow. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 4, and 1, 2, 3. So then we're back to the half intro on measure 33, and if you want to get the sheet music, just go right here. And the sheet music, I have it going around 2 times, but on the play along and in this lesson, we're just doing it once, and we're ending the song at this point with the half intro and then out. All right, so I hope this all makes sense. Let's go to the play along.
Oh, that means it's time to go. And besides, Beatrice across the street is going to put some air in her tires. Hootenanny, 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 hootenanny.